Good morning, 7th class. In chapter 3, today our topic is mode. The observation that occurs most frequently in the data is mode. For example, we have 12, 15, 19, 23, 23, 23 and 15. It's a data. In it, 15 repeats 2 times and 23 repeats 3 times. 23 occurs most of the time, so mode is 23. Next we have median. The median is the middle value of data after arranging the data in ascending or descending order. In median, if we have n odd numbers, so then we take n plus 1 by 2th item by converting the data in ascending or descending order. Or if we have even numbers, then we take n by 2th item. We take an example. Find the median of data 13, 16, 12, 14, 19, 12, 14, 13, 14. First of all, we arrange data in ascending or descending order. So we will take ascending order. First we write 12, then 12, 13, 13, 14 3 times, then 16 and 19. Now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. N is 9. Then we take median equal to n plus 1 by 2th item because 9 is odd number. N plus 1 by 2, 9 plus 1 by 2 is 10 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Fifth item. Now check fifth item. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So our median is 14. Next we have find median 31, 37, 35, 38, 42, 23, 17, 18, 35, 25, 35 and 29. First of all, write this data in ascending order. Then count these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. N is 12. It is even number. So in it, first we take n by 2th item. 12 by 2 is 6th item. Check which is 6th item. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 31 is 6th item. Next we take n by 2th item plus 1. 12 by 2 plus 1. 6th item plus 1. 7th item. 7th item we have 35. Now we will take average of this 6th item and 7th item. 31 plus 35 by 2 because both are 2 numbers. So we will take 2 here. Then 66 by 2, 33. So median of this data is 33. A bar graph gives many vital information. We have a question. Study the double bar graph given below and answer the following questions. Here we have number of students and here we have sports. In sports we have hockey, football, cricket, tennis and badminton. This shows class 7th and this shows class 8th bar graph. First question we have, which sport is liked the most by class 8 students? We have to check this bar graph of class 8. 20. Here is 20 students like cricket. So we have cricket is the sport liked by most of the student of class 8. Next we have how many students of class 7th like hockey and tennis in all. Class 7th hockey students we have 7 students and in tennis we have 10 students. 7 plus 10, 17 students in all like hockey and tennis. Next question, how many students are there in the class 7th? This is for class 7, so we have to add these all. 7 plus 16 plus 18 plus 10 plus 14 and we get 65 students in class 7th. For which sport is the number of students of class 7 less than that of class 8? I repeat my question. For which sport is the number of students of class 7th less than that of class 8? Here 6 is less than 7, 12 less than 16, 18 is less than 20. So in cricket, the number of students of class 7th less than the class 8th, because there is 18 and 18 is less than 20. So in a cricket. Next question. For how many sports students of class 8 are less than class 7? Class 8 are less than class 7. 6 is less than 7, 12 is less than 16, 7 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 14. So in hockey, football, tennis and badminton, there are 4 sports. Students of class 8 are less than class 7. Next question. Find the ratio of students who like badminton in class 7 to the students who like tennis in class 8. In badminton, we of class 7 students we have 14 students, and in tennis 8th class student we have 7 students. So ratio 14 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 2 by 1, 2 ratio 1 is our answer. On the basis of it, students try to solve some of your book exercise 3.2 and 3.3. Thank you so much, students.